In Kajabi, your sales page doesn't hold the payment details, your offer does, because structure and copy are only half of the job. The page has to actually sell something, right? I'm Carl. I've done UX design and strategy for Fortune 150 companies, and I now combine that with my background as an educator to help creators use Kajabi and AI to build offers that look and feel professional and, of course, human. We can assume at this point that all of your copy is filled out because you've been working with the AI to help with that. You can add all your images, which is very simple. And then the last thing you want to do is wire up this page to your offer. So I'm going to jump into offers, create a new offer, and then attach the correct product and set a straightforward price. So I'm going to hit save. I'm going to go back to landing pages. I don't need to create an offer if I don't already have one. Very easy to do. I'm just going to say screenplay, writing example offer. All right, I'm going to pretend that this Kajabi Confidence course, which you should check out, more info in the link down below. I attach that as the course for this offer. And if you're new to Kajabi, you're in the middle of your trial, you want to make sure that you can collect payment by setting up Kajabi payments. If you want a separate video on how to do that, then let me know down in the comments. You can use the enhanced checkout. Looks real nice. We're going to hit save and finish. And now I have an offer. All of the things about the offer you can then customize later, about how the sales page looks, about how much you're going to charge for it, description of it, the title, all of that stuff is customizable later. This just helps you get started real quick. We're going to go back to our sales page. And if you already had the offer created, you of course wouldn't have to do that step. But for this example, I had to go make that. I'm going to click on the button, and instead of go to URL under button action, I'm going to hit go to a checkout page. That's where people get access to your offers, is through a checkout page. And then this dropdown is going to let you pick an offer. So that's how you know you're actually picking the right thing, is checkout page and then offer. I'm going to click screenwriting example offer and then click save. And now if somebody clicks this button, it's going to take them to that sales page. And you'll need to go back to the sales page, and like I did just here, and connect every main button in all of the different zones. You should have more than just one button on here, so that that offer goes through every button, right? So there's no extra tools required. There's no other integrations you have to do. There's no leads falling through the cracks because a certain button, wasn't wired up. You just go through, click button action, go to a checkout page, and then select the right offer on all of these buttons. And if you want to preview and make sure the button works and make sure it goes where you want it to go, you can hit preview, right? You can see all of your copy that you've made. Click enroll now. And look, it takes you to a checkout page. So that is working. Excellent. And if you are ready to build your Kajabi sales page and you want the exact word for word prompts that I use to force Kajabi's custom AI to assist me like a product strategist and UX researcher from course concept all the way to launch, use the link in the description to start an exclusive 30-day Kajabi trial. When you start your free trial with that link, it unlocks my full Safe-Launch system as a bonus. It's got the AI prompt pack for your copy and the Kajabi Confidence course so that you don't get lost in the back end. You'll still get the free non-designer's UX hacks guide either way, but the Safe-Launch system is only available when you come in through that extended 30-day trial link. So grab those down below, and I'll see you inside the Kajabi Confidence course, where you'll go from blank page to minimum viable course ready to launch in just 7 days.